Hi, I'm JB and I'm reviewing my new Rumor mobile phone by LG on the Sprint network. This is my first new phone in about 2 years. I was on the Sprint network before, but with a Samsung Blade, which is a flip phone. I didn't realize how much of an advantage the flip phone was when I had it until I owned this one. With the keys being exposed, you now have to have the key guard on all the time, so it actually delays trying to do anything on the phone. You have to hit the back key down for a couple seconds before it comes up and before you start doing what you need to do on it. Another thing I noticed once I got into it is it doesn't have voice command, so I have to hand dial everything that I want to do on it, whereas my old Blade phone, I was able to put it up to my ear and say, call JB, and it would come up right away. So that has delayed me as well. Another thing I noticed is it doesn't have as many ringtones available for not only just the ringers, but also alerts. They're quieter, it seems, and not high-pitched and annoying enough for me to hear, so when it's down deep in my purse, I can't actually hear my phone, whether I'm getting a text message or a phone call. And the other thing that I noticed that was different that I am missing is, though it does have a camera, it doesn't have an automatic flash with it. And so a lot of my pictures come out dark, and I find that I'm not using the camera hardly at all now. There is one big advantage, though, that I do like a great deal, which was the main reason I did get it before I found out the other disadvantages, but it has a full-size QWERTY keyboard. So it makes text messaging a breeze, very fast, and though the keys are very small, it was surprising how quick I was able to get used to it, and this has been very handy as it's my husband's main mode of communication. Overall, I'm not really sure if I'm happy with my purchase. I'm quite disappointed in missing the other features frequently, but with the choices that I had on the Sprint network, this was probably the best if I really needed that QWERTY keyboard. So depending on the features that you use most and that you need, this could be a great phone for you. But if you're like me, you might be sorely missing some of the other features that you've had on phones past.